Hey there, another reason we get all the time why people can't go solar or they can't meet with this is, they're too busy. And listen, quite frankly, that's probably the most true thing we get told. People are busy. We are. We drive our kids all over the place, baseball, softball, band, I mean everything. So I get it. People are busy. But here's the thing with solar. There's only a couple things that need to happen. A 30-minute meeting with us, take care of the documents, we take care of everything else. We take care of the HOA paperwork. We take care of the permitting. Like, there's really nothing you have to do except allow us to explain it to you. You make a decision, and then it's just waiting. You just wait. And while you're waiting, your life doesn't really change. You're just kind of going about your business, waiting for your panels to get turned on. So, the whole too busy thing. I think there's a misunderstanding about what has to happen to go solar. It's really quite a simple process, quick, easy. There's not a lot going on. And then think about what you're saying. Too busy to, right? You're saying you're too busy to save thousands of dollars. I mean, seriously, not right away. I'm not crazy, but you're going to save money immediately, and you're going to save hundreds and hundreds and hundreds, and over time thousands, just because the rates continue to increase. So you're saying you're too busy to save money. So just kind of like get that out of your mind. There is a massive energy revolution happening, and it can save you money. So why wouldn't you? Craig, what do you think about that?
Yeah, I think when people say too busy, they have built up this mountain of problems and chaos with going solar. I'm going to have to do this, and this is going to have to happen. I'm going to have to be available for this. So they've created this monumental task in their mind. And when they go solar, they're like, oh, that was it? Like, oh my God, you guys just gave us information. We signed some docs. Install day wasn't that bad. Like, there's one day where you have to be available and you exhaust some energy. One day where you have to be there for install. For everything else, you don't even have to be home. And then you're going to save tens of thousands of dollars. Like, is it worth a day to receive a government incentive check next year between $10,000 and $15,000, and to have an NV Energy bill that's only $13 a month because you spent a day and you don't even have to be home? Let them in to install, then go to Chili's or the casino. Like, go play with the money that you're going to save because you went solar. Being too busy is a cop out. That's my opinion.
Hey, sounds good, guys. Hey, take care. Have a good day.